with your hands, if you're doing a plank or push-up hold, or which we're going to test, when you get tired, watch my elbows. If I'm finding my hands, all of a sudden your body will go, it'll go in and fail in. That's how I know we don't fail towards where we want to be. Your body fails to where it'll survive. But that's finding your hands. So kind of cool. You can mess around with it on the ground. But it helps engage. So if you think the glutes and the hip muscles of the lower body screwed the feet into the ground, the glutes and the hip of the upper body, not sure why that did that, which are the shoulder muscles, screwed the hands into the ground. So there's these parallels again that you find that you can use to your advantage when you just look at like how the body's formed and how it reacts when it's in these environments. I want to touch upon something called asymmetries because I know that we are handed, meaning I'm right-handed. I do everything right-handed. Some people are left-handed. Some people do things with both hands. All I'm saying is, all in all in the day, I definitely use my right hand way more than my left. Done. We've been sold out there, and there's this fear that, oh my gosh, if everything's not like totally balanced, you're screwed. Or that's the cause of injury is this asymmetrical imbalance. And that's not true. Injuries go deeper than that, just to be able to pick a single thing. So we're good at right-handed stuff or left-handed stuff because of those asymmetries. So if you think about this, like really good with your dominant hand, really, really weak and less fine with your non-dominant. We want to stay asymmetrical, but we want those to be closer and then both to go up. So that's just something to, I've just never, you would have to do so much work. You wouldn't be able to have families, jobs. You would have to restructure your life to balance your body to this 90-degree symmetrical. We're not symmetrical. Even bones, like a collarbone and a collarbone, if you put them next to each other, if we were to take them out, they don't look the same. If you get down in it, they're not the same length. They're not the same. My liver is over here. My heart is over here. They're not the same. We can't cut a body in half and just have symmetry. So we need to get away from these asymmetries, but work on both of them and get them closer together and then take both of them up. So just to quash the asymmetry cause of this, that, and the other. Here's something cool anatomically.